sabi nila mananakaw daw yung phone ko, pero... Ito tayo sa BGC, guys. Actually, this is not BGC. Sa may uptown tayo. I don't know why it's so loud, but okay. I need to get more confident in doing vlogs like this. Or else I'll never make it. Okay, I'm about to die. I just saw a kid with a t-shirt and I thought it was the 21 Pilots t-shirt. I was like, that's kind of weird. But it wasn't. Kung saan-saan na kami nakakarating, wala pa rin kami makakain. Sarado yung peri-peri. Or whatever. Oh, there we go. See? That's uptown. I'm here all the time. If you wanna stalk me, I'm here. Ano yung sinabi mo?
Akala ko yung yung pang clay na matigas.
Display.
Oh, display.
From here. From this. Uy! Nakita ko. From this angle. Tesla. That's my future car, guys. It's actually my future car. Pinoint out ng ate ko, may Dalmatian daw. So, hindi na-record ng ate ko mahiwagang dito. Kaya ulit ako para sa inyo. Ito, ang aking future car. Bibili na actually ako ngayon. Tata. Oh my god, I just realized. I went out na walang perfume. Lumabas ako na hindi naka-perfume. So, pumunta sa Jo Malone para lang mag-test. Hindi, joke lang. Oh my god, I wanna watch this. I will watch this trust. And now I'm on the hunt for the Minecraft Happy Wheel. I will get that B. I will get that.
So then we went to BGC to venture out for food, and then I got sidetracked.
Wait lang, Queen. Tapos mahulog ako dito eh. Mahulog.
So we went around to look for some food options, and then we settled for ramen.
I have left my family. Nakakahirap pala mag-vlog ng ganito eh. Ang daming tao talaga nakatingin. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I will... Inunahan kami ng isang babae sa isang upuan na gusto kong kunin. I wanna eat. That's what I want. And there's Yao Yao, bro. I want Yao Yao. There's this high-ass chair, pero like, I don't know if gustuhin nila dyan. Pero sige, walang upuan kahit saan. At iniwan na talaga ako ng pamilya ko. Saan sila? Oh my God. Dito pala. Nakahanap na tayo. Nag-iikot-ikot ako kanina pa dito, pero ever since sinamahan ako ng ate ko, nakakuha na ako ng upuan. Talaga yun. Pero talaga siyang lock, guys. Meron siyang lock. Naging introvert ako ng slide. Kasi, inaangat ko yung kamay ko kanina kasi nag-vlog ako. Daming tumingin. Sobrang daming tumingin. Pero sige. Buhay YouTuber.
So I got kimchi ramen, and I'm not really sure what my sister got. And I also don't know what drink we got. I literally just sat there. But anyway, I was so excited to eat this kimchi ramen because I've been so hungry the whole night. And this is me taking my first sip of the ramen.
This is so good.
Look at this pretty b-roll I got of the ramen. Like, it's so good. I hope you are salivating at home right now, because this was really good.
I just finished eating. I just saw one of my friends post on their Telegram that there was this model show going on in SM Ara, which is like approximately 5 minutes away from me, or at least 2 minutes if I really wanted to. And I was like, which model is that? Oh my God, is there a model dito sa may SM Ara? It's literally Pond Narabit.
What?
And I was just talking about Bilkit and PP earlier, and literally not even 10 minutes ago.
I'm gonna have to warn you now that I'm gonna start being very delusional from this point forward. So please ready yourself. I'm not even kidding.
What if, nakita ko siya ngayon dito sa videos, what if, Kaya walang tao dito kasi lahat nasa SM Aura. What? I'm trying not to crash out. Hindi, okay lang ako. Okay lang ako. So, now knowing na nandito pala si Paul, feeling ko makikita ko na talaga siya. Makikita ko siya. So, andito na tayo. What if... Hindi na naman ako nagdidelusyon. What if andito si Paul Narabit? Hindi ko lang alam. Kasi hindi ko kunwari dadaan siya. Oh, yung dadaan siya. Tapos kunwari hindi ko siya kanina. Kasi I'm different from the others. Pero dadaan siya.
Okay.
Hindi pa rin, wow, what is this lighting? Parang, oh my gosh, mukhang merong maglalat na airplane dito. I think I'll be ordering alone because my sister left me. Where's Mila? Isang small po, na one topping. Tapos, yun lang po. Yung topping. Thank you po. Yes!
May freaking yaw-yaw.
Who the heck is Queen? What the hell?
So at this point, while I was eating my yao yao, my sister suddenly got dizzy, and my mom was consoling her while I was fully committed to this vlog. So, yeah.
Pon Narabit, nasaan ka na?
This is Loki giving the rave visuals and not the one rave. None of those Shrek visuals. Yeah.
Pon Narabit, nasaan ka na? Okay. I don't know. May bakas ako ng cellphone. So this is my phone. This is my mom's phone. Or anyway, behind me is Shangri-La and meron ko na ba? There are people looking at me. And my social anxiety is actually going through the roof. But I'm gonna pretend it's not there. I'm gonna pretend I'm a professional vlogger. Ang daming tao. Typical of me. Napakaingay na itong fountain! So, yung LED nasa likuran ko. And ayun, nalahimik na yung fountain. So, I don't think maano yung agenda ko na makakukuha ng Minecraft Happy Meal. Because ang layo ng McDo dito, ingay talaga ng fountain. There will come a time kung saan wala nang pake yung mga tao sa kung ano magagawin mo. Hopefully. Kasi I'm just doing my thing. Kung ano man yan. Gentle Monster is also behind me. Jenny? I think this is a very great time to think and reflect with this. Waiting.
So here is me reflecting, thinking about life and what I could do. I look very lost. Instead of thinking, I am not thinking. I was just thinking about if I looked good on camera. Like, damn.
This isn't working. Well, for some reason, lahat ng agenda ko hindi natuloy. Bakit talaga ng quality? Pero sige, oo na lang. Hindi ako nakuha ng Minecraft Happy Meal. Actually, yun lang ata yung like, given agenda ko. Pero like, hindi na ako nakapag-relax. Dahil naka-relax naman. Nagmuni-muni ako. Pero napakaingay talaga na itong cafe na to. Nakakala ko lang. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Nasaan ka po narabit? Ocean Street Pickleball in progress. Where all I see are people on roller skates. They're lying to us. Unfortunately, we are going home now. Are you DTF? Didn't I phone you, freak? I guess that's it for this video. That was such an anticlimactic ending. Hey guys, so I'm home and man, if I'm gonna be honest, I dropped out of college. So I'm home and I have this microphone thing, karaoke, whatever. And I've been playing a little bit with it. And there's a cat beside me. Look at the little kittens that my cat has birthed. Oh, look at the mother. But yes, that is the end of this video with my cat meowing in the background. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye! Ah!